How to increase the views on Instagram Reels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Increasing views on Instagram Reels involves strategic content creation, optimization, and engagement. So, if you want to boost your views, here are some steps or the strategies that you can apply. Step 1. You need to create the engaging content. Always have a catchy start to hook viewers within the first 3 seconds to grab their attentions. Likewise, use popular challenges, trends, and memes relevant to your audience. Always ensure the videos are sharp, well lit, and visually appealing. Also, keep it concise. Reels that are 7 to 15 seconds long often perform better. Another thing is related to relevant hashtags. Use a mix of trending and niche hashtags and write captions that encourage likes, shares, and comments. Likewise, another strategy would be using music and effects. Make sure to incorporate songs that are trending on Instagram's audio library, which way you can experiment with Instagram's filters and editing tools as well. Likewise, you need to identify when your audience is most active. Typically, the morning and evenings are good for engagement, so you can view your insights on Instagram using business accounts and track your audience activity. Likewise, you also have to engage with your audience. Engage with viewers by replying to their comments, use CTAs like comment below your thoughts or share this reels, and collaborate with influencers or creators for cross collaborations and promotions. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.